is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And what a huge difference 24 hours can make, especially when we talk about southern Colorado weather. Now, if you remember this time yesterday in the Springs, we were just underneath that thick blanket of low clouds and fog, and that kept temperatures in the 30s all the way through the afternoon into the evening hours. You can see it got down to around 29 degrees early this morning, but look at the difference today. We've seen temperatures warming back into the lower 70s with some great recovery as expected. Right now in the Springs, very comfortable on this Monday evening. We're happy you're joining us here on News 5 at 5. 62 degrees outside in the Springs with a mix of sun and clouds. Pretty cool in comparison to Pueblo. It hasn't been as warm today here as it has been in the Springs. Upper 50s currently with a great view of the downtown Riverwalk. East-southeast winds coming in at about 10 miles per hour. Canyon City nice and mild in contrast. 71 degrees north winds blowing in at about 7 miles per hour. Finally, we'll take you out east towards La Junta, where it was very cool yesterday and still pretty cool today, upper 50s this afternoon with humidity right around 40%. Now, we did see a cold front move into southern Colorado Saturday night. That's what triggered the really cold late weekend trends. The frontal boundary right here across eastern parts of the state. Areas to the west have seen dry and warmer conditions today with some westerly winds. Areas to the east have seen higher humidity due to some southerly winds. And these spots have seen quite a bit of fog and low clouds the past couple of nights, and I think we will see a repeat of that again tomorrow morning for our eastern plains counties. Otherwise, farther to the west, should be mostly sunny to partly cloudy in the morning. Model does show an increase in the cirrus clouds again by the afternoon. In fact, I think tomorrow's weather in terms of sky conditions probably pretty similar to what we saw today. I think the difference is we're going to add on about 10 to 20 degrees for highs across the plains and about 3 to 5 degrees for our highs across the interstate out west across the San Luis Valley and the mountain area. So Tuesday's weather looks nice and warm. You're going to notice morning lows down to the 30s in the Springs and Pueblo. Comfortable at noon in both spots, and you can see highs in Pueblo tomorrow up to around 80 degrees. So for now, the cold air bottled up across the northern tier of the country. It's retreating back to the north this evening. Warm stuff still on the southern end of the jet stream, but things will be changing as we head towards Thursday night. We get a cold front that moves in, drops highs about 25 to 35 degrees Friday. So warm before we get there, but cold to end the week. And then a developing digging trough of low pressure comes out of Canada, brings us our next chance for some snow as we make our way towards the end of the weekend and the start of next week. So I think we'll be dry through the rest of the week, even though we could get a little bit of snow Thursday night into Friday for northern Colorado. Otherwise, our chances increase late Saturday up to the north, and they move down to the south. Heading into Sunday afternoon and Sunday night, there could be some lingering snow showers in your Monday forecast as well. So your lows tonight, still several days away from that event, will be a little more mild than what we saw last night, dropping down to the 30s and 40s. Highs tomorrow with that warm up back to the 80s across the Arkansas River Valley, mid to upper 70s for the Springs and Canyon City. That's going to be the warmest day, folks, but still pretty warm Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, look out for high fire danger with the downslope flow picking up ahead of the cold front. Cold front drops us down more than 30 degrees on Friday, and then the moisture moves in Sunday into Monday. For Pueblo, we have 80 on the map here Tuesday, down to the 70s Wednesday, Thursday, and then ouch, a high of 45 on Friday. Big case of weather whiplash late this week in Canyon City. We warm up again Saturday before the snow moves in Sunday into Monday. And for Woodland Park, dry and mild Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Enjoy the outside while the getting's good because cold weather moves in Friday and some snow by the end of the weekend. Allison?